Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Canva two-factor authentication code not received. So like, security codes sometimes get delayed or blocked, so what you're gonna do is check your email, and then if it is not there, then check your spam. If it's still not there, then make sure your phone number or email is correct. Request a new code if needed. Safety tip: enable 2FA on your phone only on your personal device. Quick fix: if the backup code provided when you first set up to use the backup code provided when you first set up two-factor authentication. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.